Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting new way to bridge from and to native Bitcoin using Symbiosis. If you've been struggling with the current methods for moving Bitcoin across multiple blockchain networks, you know that they often come with high gas and exchange fees or simply lack support from popular bridge protocols. But fear not, because Symbiosis is here to revolutionize the game. With the BTC EVM Bridge protocol, you now have the power to not only perform cost-effective cross-chain token exchanges, but also enjoy DeFi functionality for pegged Bitcoin assets on EVM chains, and vice versa. In this video, we'll dive deep into how Symbiosis works, step by step, so you can start making the most out of your Bitcoin in the DeFi space. Stay tuned as we break down each part of the process and show you how easy it can be to bridge Bitcoin with Symbiosis. Hope this helps. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to bridge from / to native Bitcoin using Symbiosis. Get started today and explore the endless possibilities of cross-chain swaps.